Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to dice a tomato. So the things you're going to need are a chef's knife, a tomato, and a cutting board. All right, so the first cut you're going to make is the top of the tomato and the bottom. With a curled hand, you're going to slice the bottom off, just like this. And then you're going to make indents into the tomato. So like 1, 2. Like that. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. And then once you have this cut out, what you're going to do is just slice. All right, and that is how you dice a tomato. I'm going to be making chicken tomato mozzarella. So the first step that we're going to do is to heat the pan to a medium-high heat. Then I'm going to add the oil into a hot pan. You know the pan is hot when you see the ripples in the oil. And then I'm going to add my chicken breast. I'm going to saute these chicken breasts on both sides and then transfer them onto a cutting board to cut into 1-inch thick slices. Make sure the chicken does not stick to the pan. All right, and when it's time, I'm going to flip the chicken breast. All right, once the chicken breast is done, I'm going to transfer them onto this cutting board. I'm going to saute my onion, my garlic, and herbs and oil. While that's sauteing, I'm going to slice my chicken into 1-inch strips. Alrighty, when that's finished, I'm going to put my chicken back into the pan. And add my tomatoes. The tomatoes have a lot of water content, and that's what's going to make this bring to a boil. Once it brings to a boil, I'm going to reduce it to a simmer. All right, so it's on a boil, so now I'm going to reduce the heat down to low. And I'm just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. All right, my pan has been in a simmer for about 5 minutes, and I'm ready to add the salt and pepper. All right, and you can tell when the chicken is done when you tear a piece in the middle and it's all white, there's no pink. All right, so now the last step is just to add the mozzarella. And what I'll do is just sprinkle it right on top. This can be served with rice or pasta. All right, and there you have it, tomato chicken mozzarella.